Hello everyone, to this tutorial today we're going to see how we use a command in Python. So we're going to see what is a command in Python. So on some previous video I mentioned about the command, but I didn't really explain what was the command. So in Python, command, if you want to comment something, like comment something is just to make something just readable that you cannot execute that far. You cannot execute that word, the task that you are doing. So to comment in Python, you just need a pound sign like this. So if you put the pound sign and then you write something like this, for example, you just write comment in Python like this. Comment in Python. I think in every programming language, to comment you use the pound sign, even in the bash scripting. But when you in the bash scripting, we have the other one that we call the shebang is just the environment that you declare so that it's going to know that this is a bad script so that you can execute the task. So you use the shebang, and the shebang is different for the pound sign. So you have the shebang just to declare that you are making a script, and then the pound sign, another pound sign to just comment something that Python is not going to take in consideration on that pound sign when it's going to run the task. So this is how we run. For example, I put comment in over there. So when you want to comment here, you put a pound sign. You could just right here Python comment. So example, another example, if I come here is I say, for example, Python, when you want to print something, you say print, for example, hello world, like this. Hello world, Python, like this. Python going to print that for you. I don't need to book. You see, it print hello. It's just print hello or hello world. It's going Python going to print hello world. So now if I put the pound sign of print right here, just behind the print, Python is not going to print the hello world because I comment it. So when you comment it, you just make the word readable, just make the line readable. So this line is just readable. If I run it, Python is not going to run it because I put the pound sign. That means the line is just readable. This line is just readable. But if I remove the pound sign, I run it. So this means I uncomment it. So when I run it, and then hello world. So this is how we use a command in Python. So in the next tutorial, we're going to see about how you can use Python to read a file, to read a new file that you create. So thank you for watching the video. See you on the next tutorial.